In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize keyboard shortcuts in GIMP, a tutorial designed especially for beginners. Whether you're a newcomer to GIMP or have some familiarity with its features, customizing your keyboard shortcuts can significantly improve your workflow and enhance your overall experience with the software. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open GIMP on your computer. Once GIMP is loaded, take a look at the top menu bar. You're going to want to focus on the Edit menu here. Click on Edit, and from the drop-down that appears, select Keyboard Shortcuts. This option is your gateway to customizing how you interact with various tools and actions within GIMP by giving you the power to reassign or create shortcuts fit for your workflow preferences. After opening the Keyboard Shortcuts window, you'll be greeted with a wide list of available tools and actions. However, instead of scrolling endlessly through this list, GIMP makes it easy for you to locate what you're looking for. Use the search bar that's prominently displayed in this window. If you have a particular tool or action you want to create a shortcut for, just type it into this search bar. Perhaps you want a quicker way to access the brush tool or a specific filter? Simply enter the name, and it will bring up your desired item in no time. Once you've found the tool or action you wish to assign a new shortcut to, the next step is to give it a new key combination. Click on the item in the list and on your keyboard, type the new shortcut you want. For instance, let's say you want to use Ctrl+B to access the brush tool. You'll click on the brush tool in the Keyboard Shortcuts window and then press Ctrl+B. If this key combination is already in use by another tool, GIMP will notify you, so you can try a different combination that suits your needs and isn't a duplicate. After you've set all your desired shortcuts, it's crucial to ensure that everything is saved correctly. Head down to the bottom of the window and look for the Save Preferences button. Clicking this will save all the changes you've made, ensuring they're ready for future use. If GIMP prompts you to restart the program for the changes to take full effect, go ahead and do so. Simply close GIMP and then reopen it. And voila! Your new shortcuts should now be actively integrated into your GIMP environment. So there you have it, a simple, effective way to customize your keyboard shortcuts in GIMP. Now you can navigate through your design work with improved efficiency and ease, tailored to your specific habits and workflow. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Keep exploring to find the shortcuts that work best for you, and happy creating.